Hello, Lucia. Welcome and congratulations on getting your diploma today. Well, it's been a while that we've known each other. Almost 3 years ago, first met you when we had our first coaching talk. And I can remember you telling about your love for art and drawing and painting. And at that time, I felt a bit like, oh, I hope you're in the right program because we're not art school, we're industrial design engineering and applied science school. So, but you nailed it along the way. You've done your projects, developed great things, including the project of Locus for MSF, and now we are at the finish line. Your graduation project was with the Accessibility Foundation, where again you worked for a very special target group, in this case visually impaired children. Children that are visually impaired, blind or nearly blind, that go to school. They experience the world in a different way, and so you've created. I started at the end instead of the beginning. So you started out by creating 3D models that could be 3D printed, and that can be haptic models that can be sensed by touch for children to learn something. But then, you know the saying, you give a man a fish or you teach a man how to fish. So in the end, what you created was a DIY guide for people to be able to develop haptic models, 3D printed models that that children can use to explore the world. And it's very, I think it's lovely how it's a really, you start out with the learning objectives. What do you want? How can you set it up? And then you move on to a step-by-step guide in the end to developing the actual model. So this DIY guide, it's almost done. Accessibility Foundation will bring it into the world. So yeah, great result. Something really to be proud of. So Lucia, for you, well done. All the best.